War Thunder is down right now. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. I know that many of you have problems with War Thunder right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with War Thunder. I already went to their Twitter profile and 21 minutes ago they said we released a patch to fix some annoying bugs like smoke not really hiding tanks or torpedoes going through objects. So also if we scroll down they say they just released an update to fix some of the game. So if you also try to go to Google and then if you type in on Google War Thunder down, and then if you go here to the first site, you will see that right now the most reported problems are the server connection and the login. Also, if you scroll down, you will see some comments from people who have issues with War Thunder right now. So in conclusion, you don't have to worry about it. You are not the only one who has this problem right now, and they will fix this as soon as possible. So if you do have issues with War Thunder, you can comment in the comment section down below with your problem, with your error. You can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.